Please welcome to the stage Paul Robson, President, Adobe Asia Pacific.
So good morning, everybody. Good morning. And welcome to Symposium 2018. On behalf of every single person at Adobe, it's an absolute pleasure to welcome the over 3,000 people in this room today, as well as the thousands more joining us online, watching the live stream from around the region, countries like China, India, throughout Southeast Asia. We're also streaming into the UK and the US as well, just to name a few. We really appreciate the time that you are investing in being with us today and experiencing with us the single largest digital experience event in this region. Now, many of you have joined us in the past for our Symposium events, where we talk about how digital marketing technology is changing the way that brands in this country deliver experiences for their customers. Many of you have also joined us in the past for our Make It events, where we talk about creativity and explore the depths of design and our technology that unlocks the creative potential of organisations. Well, for the first time ever here today, we're bringing those two events together. So why are we doing that? It's because we believe that now, more than ever, businesses need to create or combine creativity alongside data and intelligence in order to be successful. Amazing creativity and design are the difference between that good experience and that amazing experience. And as the only company that can bring together content and data, design and technology, I can guarantee you that you're in for a unique and fantastic few days with us. So digital continues to change everything, whether it's our business model, whether it's the way that our consumers engage with our products and services, or perhaps even the way that we do our jobs. And we're starting to hear a lot more about artificial intelligence, and it's clear that we're at this inflection point where AI has moved from this theoretical concept that's a buzzword at events like this to something that is now actually tangible. It's impacting what we do. It's impacting how we do it, and it's impacting the roles that we play in the jobs that we do day to day. And if we look at AI through the Australian lens, the Australian government is on record stating that they believe that our economy is well placed to meet the needs and challenges and opportunities that come with embracing automation. However, when you look at the public companies in this country, only 9% of publicly listed companies on the ASX have invested or are making a sustained investment in automation. And that's despite the fact that we all know that AI is making it more and more possible for us to design and deliver more personalised customer engagements. And you all know better than anyone that the more personal the experience, the better that experience is, the more powerful that it is. Experiences matter more today than ever before. So this presents a challenge. Whether you're a marketing professional, a data scientist, a creative professional or a CEO, we all have to figure out how to bridge that gap between what our customers desire and want and the technology that helps us deliver on those amazing experiences. And that challenge is at the heart of what here at Adobe we call the experience business. And that's the reason that we're all here. It's because we know that the interactions that our customers have with our brands and with our companies, from awareness to purchase to consideration, are critical. We have a fantastic 2 days planned. You'll hear from some of the region's leading brands and thinkers who use technology to design and deliver experiences that connect with people, including the CEO and founder of Oz Harvest, Ronnie Khan. We did have the Chief Marketing Officer of Tourism Australia, but unfortunately something came up for her, so she sent along her boss, the Managing Director for Tourism Australia, John O'Sullivan, will be with us, talking about the Dundee campaign. And I know that Lisa's told him he has to do a fantastic job this morning. You'll also hear from experience makers from brands such as Suncorp, eBay, the Accent Group, Australia Post, and many, many more. And we're also super excited to welcome to our shores the Chief Digital Officer from the Coca-Cola Company, David Godsman, as well as influential marketing maven, Cindy Gallop. Now, Adobe's also a technology company, so we'll take a look under the hood at just some of the many innovations that we have in store with the Adobe Experience Cloud, the Adobe Document Cloud, and the Adobe Creative Cloud, our three category-leading experience-making cloud solutions. We're humbled by the support that you've all given us and the trust that you have put in the partnership that you have with Adobe as your technology and experience-making partner. And we continue to see significant opportunity here in the Australian market. Many of you may not know this, but we run our Asia Pacific headquarters from across the road here at Darling Harbour. We're in this together. It's a journey, it's an investment, and we're committed to helping you every single step of the way. And we're sure that when you leave us tomorrow night, you'll have a better understanding of what the brands that you work with and the brands that you engage with need to do to become true experience makers. We have a rich 35-year history, and we continue to innovate and adapt to market challenges. And it's on us as your partner to help you expand your business, as you seek new horizons, as you look at new market opportunities around the region, as you push the boundaries of your digital investment. At the end of the day, you're in the driving seat, but we're here standing alongside you, partnering with you, and we are humbled by the trust that you place in us.